Welcome back, dear students. Today we have got with us the very talented Dr. Sakshi Bansal, who has secured All India rank of 7 in NEET SS 2025. She's with us to discuss her strategy to prepare for the exam. Many congratulations, Dr. Sakshi.
Thank you, ma'am.
And let's start with where and when you finished your UG and PG.
Ma'am, I have done my UG from GMC Patiala, passed in 2019, and then I have done my PG from SMS Medical College, Jaipur, passed in July 23.
23, so recently.
Yes, ma'am.
And after that, did you join anywhere as an SR?
Yes, ma'am. I was an SR in local private hospital in my hometown in Ludhiana, and then I joined as an SR in AIMS Bathinda. I'm still pursuing my SRship.
Certainly. So when did you decide that you'll prepare for super specialty?
I started preparing for it made my mind about it in 2022 in my second year of residency,
You
mid
were
second.
in residency.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. And so how was the preparation since? So what have you been doing since 2022 for the exam?
Ma'am, initially, I got to know about recent guidelines that keeps coming in ACOG guidelines, RCOG guidelines, NICE guidelines, and I used to read them by myself. But then I realized that I need some place that where it should all be compiled. I should get like a strategy to how to proceed for them to read them and all.
So it is too early, like you're in second year itself and you're
Yes,
reading guidelines. That's
yes.
enough for a resident. And plus you decide to do more that I have to do more for the. So you were practicing while this. How was the how was your JR-ship, the residency? Was it very hectic?
It was hectic, ma'am. We haven't got our juniors till 1 year, 7, 8 months of our second year.
Okay.
So,
7, 8 months of second year.
yes, we wanted, but I wanted to prepare for it. And my senior, who was JR3, she got a rank in NEET SS. So, I got to know about this from her only. So,
Okay.
she
So
guided me.
this is how this is what dedication leads you to. You're working, your juniors have not come. Still, you're finding time to read ACOG, RCOG, and NICE guidelines. So this
Yes,
is something that students have to take inspiration, motivation from. That during your residency, you have to read. That is how we become specialists of a subject. Only if we read, not just by seeing patients. Seeing patients is extremely important, but if you read and you see patients, it makes a huge difference during your residency.
so,
So Dr.
ma'am.
Sakshi started preparing in the second year with the little preparations that she was doing, like ACOG guidelines, NICE guidelines. Then you came to know about Reproneat from your senior who had qualified.
Yes, ma'am. Then I started making a little notes about it. I started compiling my guidelines with my notes, and that's how it started. Like, and it also helped me in my third year preparation for theory and practical and all. It helped me in preparation of all that also, and it gave me a practical edge also. I
When did you
used to.
join Reproneat?
Yes, ma'am. I joined in starting of my third year,
Okay.
end of the second year. I joined
You have
Repronet.
a focused preparation, you have a source of preparation before your final exam also. So you'll do well in your final exam also if you read all those things.
I kept reading books side by side,
Which
and
books did you read
this
during
gave.
this? Because still there is time. 1 year to just give your paper, then there's still time. So this is the time. If you're in your residency, read all the big books if you have time.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So which books were you reading during this time apart from the guidelines?
Ma'am, I read a little bit of reproductive medicine from Spiroff, and with the notes I had, it gave me like an understanding of the topic. So I
The
used to
basics
compile
that
it
I
very
have
quick.
put in my notes or videos is all from Spiroff only.
Yes, ma'am. I used to go it by very quick, and I had small papers attached in my book only where I would read and write little
Because
things.
Spiroff takes a lot of
Lot
time.
of
You
time.
need 1 year to read just Spiroff. If you want to understand the concepts and answer in an exam from Spiroff, 1 year just dedicated to Spiroff you'll have to give. It's
True,
such a
ma'am.
big, but it's a beautiful book to read.
True, ma'am. True. Yes, ma'am. I also read Barak and Novex. Barak and Hacker, I did not know about it till my last few months, so I did not touch it. I read it after my exams were.
American Hacker was a source of questions in 2020.
Okay, ma'am.
Since 22, 23, 24, all the questions are from guidelines. ESBO guidelines,
Yes,
ESBO guidelines. It has become very old, the American Hacker, whatever they're stating.
I think for gynae onco, ma'am, NCCN was a big help. It used to cover everything. I
Read NCCN.
barely needed to
NCCN,
read. Yeah.
you had time to read NCCN.
I used a little AI to summarize it somehow and read it.
NCCN is very difficult to read.
Yes. Yes,
Figo
only
is
flow
good enough.
charts. Yes, ma'am. Flow charts I used to go by what are the staging and how to manage them. So it and I compiled it in one place. So always the revision was easier. I just needed to add points, not start from the beginning again. So it was easier to compile it. Yes, ma'am.
So you were preparing from books, from guidelines, and from Reproneet app in your third year, and your third year exam got done. After that, how was the preparation?
Ma'am, I gave last year NEET SS and I was rank 56. And
Okay, that is
yeah, I gave my exam and I also filled for counseling then, but I could not get the seat I desired.
what you
So
wanted.
I had all the blueprints and everything. I had my notes prepared. So I took a break for a while. And then I started preparing again after 6 months, and NEET SS also got delayed. So
Yes.
all the guidelines I had,
And preparation was how many months before the exam?
I restarted preparation like 6 months before. And
6 months before.
yes, and last 15 days I gave everything to it. Like I
Okay, so
used to,
in the last 6 months of preparation, what was the source? What all were you reading?
I was then only reading from Repronate only, no other source. I
Because
had my
this is
notes.
one common question students are asking that we can't make notes from PDFs. Were you making your own notes?
No, ma'am. I
Read
used
directly from the
not
app.
at all. I didn't want to waste any time. I just sat with my app and I read everything. I gave questions. I gave lot of questions in last 1 month. I
MCQs are very important.
Yes, ma'am. I
MCQs,
emptied.
explanations.
I fully completed my question bank. Not one question was left. I completed all the question bank, all the test, everything I completed. So that helped me a lot. I had a mindset in me ki how to approach towards questions. That was I think this year NEET SS was tougher in the regard that it was confusing. So I think the preparation in view of questions was good, and it gave me an approach how to answer, like how to remove the options
In
and
news as
yeah. Yes,
So
ma'am.
practice of MCQs is very important, and to students have to understand that Reprenit is good enough. It is sufficient for the last 6 months. You have to be consistent. And students ask me for printed notes, which is very difficult. Which I keep telling that I keep updating the notes every 15 days. Guidelines come every month, so I can't give you notes which will not change for a year. They'll change. 5 months later, the notes will have completely changed. So I can't give you the notes. And students like Dr. Sakshi have read from the PDFs itself. So it is manageable and
Yes,
manageable with a very good rank.
yes, ma'am. I did not print anything because I thought it will waste my time. So rather than wasting time, I should read.
Some people jot down all the words, but that's also not required. It will waste a lot of time, no, if you keep writing everything that I've given. Instead, you just read and memorize.
Yes, it is that. Reproductive medicine it itself was very volatile for me, especially. I used to forget all the like culture medias and all. But my strategy was like next morning, I used to again open my PDF and go through it, and it would come back to me. So I did not write, I did not like make PDFs or anything. I just go through it fastly. Yes, ma'am.
So, did you go through all the video lectures?
Not all the video lectures, ma'am, but I got through the syllabus very fast. I used to put it on 2x or 2.5x, and I used to listen it while doing other things also. So I wanted to just go through it and then revise it again and again. I did not want to spend a lot of time on one topic, sit down, put 1 month on one topic. I did not do that. I did it 2, 3 times. I remember doing it 2, 3 times, all of the syllabus. And I had in mind ki I have listened to it once, so I just need to go through my notes or videos in 2.5x, 3x even, ma'am. It was manageable. Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. So, any tip that you would want to give to the juniors
Ma'am,
who are preparing?
everybody also ask me that which app is better, which app is not to be done. So I always tell them ki do one app, and I have only done this app, so I don't know about any other. So take ma'am's app and just do it, and just don't focus on ki this is not done, this is not done. Whatever you've done, just revise it multiple times. That is what I tell them. That's it.
Wonderful. I've covered almost everything. A few students keep asking for something new to be added, but that's not required.
No,
We don't
no.
have to finish everything. The important things, questions keep repeating, topics keep repeating. The important topics are always same. So whatever
It's
is there in the app is sufficient.
yes, ma'am.
And the year
I
results were very, very good.
Yes, ma'am. And I feel whatever new will come will be new to everybody in general.
Yes.
So that,
Yes, that's what I tell them. There was a new question. I don't remember the exact topic, but I was not worried about the new question because for everyone it's new. This time we'll teach, yes, ERAS protocol. So many questions on ERAS protocol in one of the exams. NEET
yes,
assessor.
yes,
Nobody
ma'am.
has read. There were 10 articles on ERAS protocol. So
Yes, ma'am.
if there is no question, not many important questions, I can't sit and teach you 10
Mhm.
articles. Once a question is there, I've covered everything. Now ERAS, anything they ask, you'll be able to answer. So there are many such topics which are new to all of us. Let's
Yes.
not focus on them. Let's do what we already know. What
Mm.
and people, despite not knowing a lot about ERAS protocol, have got rank one and rank two.
Yes, ma'am. We were able to answer them by removing the options that this might not be true. Yeah.
That is simple. After reading, I got to know that this is so simple. Everyone can answer it.
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
nothing that it'll take a lot of time.
True,
After the
ma'am.
exam, I also finished it very fast. So don't worry about new questions. Don't get nervous about what if
Hmm.
something is asked which I have not read.
Not
Nobody
read.
has read that.
True,
If you
ma'am.
have read the ReproNeat Learning app, there are very few students who will know a little more than what is there in the app.
I agree,
And how
ma'am.
many hours would you give to reading in the last 6 months?
Ma'am, last 6 months you can give like 3, 4 hours per day, but last 15, 20 days, I feel I also gave like 12 hours of dedicated study. I used to sit in the morning, I used to study till night, get sleep, and repeat. Last 15 days were high focus of, I also feel that I gave it all in my
So
last
when did
15.
you discontinue your SRship?
I
Did you
did.
take any?
I took leave for last 10 days, ma'am. I did not discontinue it. I rejoined after 10
Oh,
days.
only
Yes.
10 days of leave are sufficient. So clinical work is also important. Keep doing your post graduation. There's no point in sitting for a year and preparing for SS. That's the
Yes.
worst advice anyone can give you. Don't sit for a year and do SS. Practice, do your medical practice and then read. Both of them will help you achieve very good ranks.
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
Wonderful. Many, many